Hello there. Let's see how to enable and disable timestamp on a Eufy camera. Timestamps is related to the date and time that you see here on the top. Let me just move that way so you see better. You see here that I have date and time, right? This is the timestamp. So it's pretty easy to select this, to enable or disable this. You just need to come here on the settings and then video settings. And then you have here the option for watermark and you have timestamp. So by default, it comes with the timestamp and logo. So you see the Eufy logo. If you don't want to see the logo there, you just change this to timestamp and you're good to go. And of course, if you don't like any timestamp, which is not common, but you can select this if you want to, just right here, right? So now you have the timestamp here on the main screen, and it's going to record everything with date and time, which is pretty good, so you can locate your videos later. All right, I hope this helps. So please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next video.